Hello friends, today we are going to learn English workshop of unit number 1.5 The necklace part 2 from standard 9th English. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण इयत्ता 9वी इंग्रजी विषयातील युनिट नंबर 1.5 द नेकलेस पार्ट 2 या पाठाचा स्वाध्याय अभ्यासणार आहोत. चला तर मित्रांनो, आपल्या आजच्या सेशनला सुरुवात करूया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. स्पॉट अँड सर्कल द एरर इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेन्सेस. मित्रांनो, आपल्याला खाली काही वाक्ये दिलेली आहेत आणि या वाक्यातील चुकीचा शब्द ओळखा व त्या शब्दाला वर्तुळ करा. देन रिराइट द सेंटेन्सेस आफ्टर करेक्टिंग देम. आणि त्यानंतर ती चूक बरोबर करून वाक्य पुन्हा लिहा. क्वेश्चन ए. बट दे कुड नॉट फाउंड इट. चुकीचा शब्द आहे फाउंड. आन्सर but they could not find it. B. You must write to your friend. चुकीचा शब्द आहे RIGHT write. Answer. You must write to your friend. C. At the end of 1 week they have lose all hope. चुकीचा शब्द आहे lose. Answer. At the end of 1 week they have lost all hope. Next question. Question D. He would borrowed the rest. चुकीचा शब्द आहे borrowed. Answer. He would borrow the rest. Next question. E. You should have written it sooner. चुकीचा शब्द आहे return. Answer. You should have returned it sooner. Next question. F. And this life lasted for 10 years. चुकीचा शब्द आहे for. Answer. And this life lasted 10 years. G. No, I am Matilda Loisel. Answer. No, I am Matilda Loisel. H. Madame Forestier were stunned. चुकीचा शब्द आहे were. Answer. Madame Forestier was stunned. Next question. Question number 2. Complete the following table. खाली दिलेला तक्ता किंवा टेबल पूर्ण करा. Answer. A. I touched it in the hall at the ministry. Matilda said to her husband when he asked her if she had it when she left the hall. B. It will give us time to look some more. Mr. Loisel said to Matilda when he told Matilda to write to her friend. C. I might have needed it. Madame Forestier said to Madame Loisel when Madame Loisel took necklace back. D. You must have made a mistake. Madame Forestier said to Matilda when Matilda addressed her so familiarly. E. Well, I lost it. Matilda said to Madame Forestier when Matilda reminded her about the necklace. F. Mine was an imitation. Madame Forestier said to Matilda when Forestier told Matilda its real cost. Next question. Question number 2. Write what you think about the following thoughts and actions of Matilda. मॅटिल्डाचे पुढील विचार व कृती याबद्दल तुम्हाला काय वाटते ते लिहा. A. Matilda was shocked and despaired over the loss of her necklace. हार गमावल्यामुळे मॅटिल्डा निराश व हैराण झाली. Answer. Because she knew that necklace was of diamond and she could not afford to buy new to return to Madame Forestier. B. Matilda wrote a note to her friend as dictated by her husband. मॅटिल्डाने तिच्या मित्राला तिच्या पतीने सांगितल्याप्रमाणे पत्र लिहिले. Answer. They expected to find the necklace someday. For that they needed some more time and Matilda was compelled to write the false letter to her friend. Next question. C. Matilda and her husband decided to replace the necklace. मॅटिल्डा व तिच्या नवऱ्याने ते नेकलेस बदलायचे ठरवले. Answer. Because they thought that the necklace was costly and they had to return it. Next question. D. Matilda returned the diamond necklace to her friend. मॅटिल्डाने तो रत्नहार तिच्या मैत्रिणीला परत दिला. Answer. I think it was her moral responsibility to return the borrowed necklace immediately after the party day, but she delayed. Next question. E. Matilda did not tell her friend about the loss and replacement. मॅटिल्डाने तिच्या मैत्रिणीला तो रत्नहार गहाळ झाल्याचे व तो बदलल्याचे सांगितले नाही. Answer. It was another big mistake she committed. It was her thoughtless action. F. Matilda worked very hard to pay the debt. मॅटिल्डाने आपले कर्ज भागवण्यासाठी खूप कठीण परिश्रम घेतले. Answer. She had changed her attitude towards her lifestyle. She worked hard and saved money for repaying the debt. G. Matilda and her husband paid off the debt in 10 years. मॅटिल्डा व तिच्या पतीने आपले कर्ज 10 वर्षात फेडले. Answer. Both of them worked very hard for 10 long years to save money for repaying the debt. They curtailed their needs severally. H. Matilda told her friend about the lost necklace. मॅटिल्डाने आपल्या मैत्रिणीला तो रत्नहार हरवल्याचे सांगितले. Answer. Though it was her fault, she must have thought that she should tell the truth to her friend and tell her how she struggled for 10 long years. Next question. Question number 4. Form pairs. विद्यार्थ्यांचे गट करा. Imagine how part 2 of the story could have been different. आणि गोष्टीचा दुसरा भाग कसा वेगळा होऊ शकला असता याची कल्पना करा. Write your storyline in the form of bullets showing the main events. आणि तुमच्या गोष्टीच्या मुख्य घटना मुद्द्यांच्या स्वरूपात मांडा. Answer. The cabman who dropped them at their door found the necklace after 2 days while cleaning his cab. Behind the space of the seats, fallen from the gaps of the seats, remembered the lady wearing the necklace was an honest and God-fearing man went to their house, handed over the necklace to them. It could have changed the whole story. Next question. Question number 5. Imagine what must have happened after Matilda's friend discovered that the diamonds were real. मित्रांनो, त्या हारातील हिरे हे खरे होते हे मॅटिल्डाच्या मैत्रिणीच्या लक्षात आले तेव्हा काय घडले असावे याची कल्पना करा. डू यू थिंक शी वुड रिटर्न इट टू मॅटिल्डा? तुम्हाला असे वाटते का की ती मैत्रीण मॅटिल्डाला तो हार परत देईल? वुड दॅट मेक मॅटिल्डा हॅपी? आणि त्यामुळे मॅटिल्डाला आनंद होईल का हे सांगा. Answer. Matilda's friend was rich but a kind-hearted and generous woman. She knew that Matilda had to face many miseries for 10 years. I think she would return the necklace to Matilda. Matilda would be happy to find some relief after sufferings. Next question. Question number 6. Discuss the following and write about it in your own words in 5 to 6 lines. मित्रांनो, खालील प्रश्नाबाबत चर्चा करा आणि त्याबद्दल तुमच्या शब्दात 5 ते 6 ओळीत उत्तर लिहा. A. What would you do if something like this happens to you? मित्रांनो, मॅटिल्डा सोबत जे घडले ते तुमच्या सोबत घडले असते तर तुम्ही काय केला असता? Answer. If something like this happens to me, I would tell my friend and would buy a new one and give her. Next question. Question B. What opinion do you form about Matilda's husband from her story? मित्रांनो, या गोष्टीवरून मॅटिल्डाच्या नवऱ्याबद्दल तुमचे मत काय आहे? Answer. Matilda's husband was a true, kind and supportive person. He was a very nice human being. Next question. Question number C. Which events in the story part 1 and part 2 changed Matilda's life? मित्रांनो, या गोष्टीतील पार्ट 1 व पार्ट 2 मधील कोणत्या घटनामुळे मॅटिल्डाचे जीवन बदलले? Answer. The invitation of the party, borrowing the necklace and losing the necklace चेंज्ड मॅटिल्डाज लाईफ? अशा प्रकारे याचं उत्तर आपण लिहू शकतो. अशा प्रकारे विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण इयत्ता 9वी इंग्रजी विषयातील युनिट नंबर 1.5 द नेकलेस पार्ट 2 या पाठाचा स्वाध्याय अभ्यासलेला आहे. तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि आपल्या चॅनलला अजून सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर सबस्क्राईब करा. आज आपण इथंच थांबूयात. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.